Fall baking season is one of the best reasons to spend a little extra time in the kitchen. Whether you're making pumpkin pie, apple pastries, spiced cookies, or a warm treat to share, having the right tools can make the entire experience easier and more enjoyable. Today I'm sharing 15 fall baking essentials that are practical, festive, and perfect for creating homemade autumn treats. This video contains affiliate links. As an Amazon associate, I may earn from qualifying purchases at no extra charge to you. Thank you for supporting Pamela's Best Finds. Let's begin with the tools that help you measure, mix, roll, cut, and shape your favorite fall recipes, from flaky pie crusts to perfectly portioned cookies. Accurate measurements can make a noticeable difference in the way a recipe turns out. This digital kitchen scale is especially helpful for weighing flour, portioning dough, and following recipes that use weight instead of measuring cups. The clear display also makes it simple to check each measurement at a glance. 4 ingredients measured by volume. These magnetic measuring cups and spoons help keep everything organized and easy to find. The pieces separate when you need them and stack neatly together afterward, so you won't have to search through a drawer for a missing teaspoon in the middle of a recipe. A dependable set of mixing bowls is useful for nearly every kind of fall baking. These stainless steel nesting bowls provide several sizes for mixing batter, preparing fillings, or holding chopped ingredients. The lids are handy when something needs to rest or be refrigerated, while the grater inserts add another useful option for recipe preparation. When a recipe calls for creaming butter, whipping frosting, or blending a smooth batter, a hand mixer makes the work much easier. This KitchenAid model offers 5 speeds, giving you enough control to start gently and increase the power as the ingredients come together. A large silicone pastry mat creates a dedicated surface for rolling dough without covering the counter in flour. Its non-stick surface is especially useful for pie crust, cookies, biscuits, and bread dough, while the printed measurements help with sizing and shaping. Marble naturally stays cooler than many other materials, making this dough roller a lovely choice for working with buttery pastry and pie crust. Its smooth surface helps roll dough evenly, and the included wooden holder gives it a proper place to rest between uses. For tender biscuits, scones, crumb toppings, and homemade pie crust, a sturdy pastry cutter is a simple tool that does an important job. The stainless steel blades cut cold butter into the dry ingredients quickly, helping create the flaky texture that makes fall pastries so inviting. Fresh apples are a favorite part of autumn baking, but peeling and slicing a large batch can take time. This cast-iron apple peeler, corer, and slicer handles all 3 steps at once, making it much easier to prepare apples for pies, crisps, breads, and other seasonal desserts. Evenly portioned dough gives cookies a more consistent shape and helps them bake at the same rate. This set includes 3 scoop sizes, so you can portion everything from small cookies to generous bakery-style treats, or use them for muffins, cupcakes, and other batters. These miniature fall cookie cutters add charming seasonal details without requiring complicated decorating skills. The assortment of autumn shapes can be used for cookies, pie crust decorations, fondant, or small sandwich bites for a harvest gathering. Once your autumn treats are prepared and shaped, these next finds will help you bake, present, transport, and share them with a little extra seasonal charm. Fall hand pie molds make it easy to create individually sized pastries with decorative edges and seasonal shapes. Fill them with apples, pumpkin, berries, or a savory mixture, then press the dough together for a treat that already looks special before it reaches the oven. A baking sheet and fitted rack are useful well beyond cookie season. Bake cookies directly on the pan, cool pastries on the rack, or use the combination when you want heat and air to circulate around the food. It's a versatile set that can stay busy throughout the entire season. This deep dish ceramic pie pan is practical for generously filled pies, but the pumpkin decoration is what makes it especially fitting for autumn. It can go directly from the oven to the table and still feel like part of the seasonal presentation. The Nordic Ware Autumn Treats pan creates 6 individual cakes shaped like pumpkins, leaves, and acorns. Those sculpted details turn a simple cake recipe into an impressive fall dessert, even with nothing more than a light dusting of powdered sugar or a simple glaze. When it's time to take a homemade pie to a gathering, this covered pie carrier makes the trip feel just as festive as the dessert itself. The pumpkin-shaped lid protects the pie while adding a cheerful harvest touch to the table once you arrive. With these 15 fall baking essentials, You'll be ready to measure, mix, shape, bake, and share all kinds of homemade autumn treats. You can find the complete collection through the links in the description, along with the full Pamela's Best Finds blog and Amazon idea list. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for more practical finds for your home, kitchen, celebrations, and everyday life. I'll see you in the next Pamela's Best Finds video.